Hello everyone, this is Harminder Suri from Toronto Drivers. Today it's the time to announce the winner for the question that I had asked in one of my videos, that was learn how to reverse in 9 minutes. The question I'd asked was, are you allowed to use the backup camera, the reverse camera, during the road test? And the answer to that question is no, you're not allowed to use the camera on the road test because they want you to look around while you're reversing a car. See, sometimes you may have to drive a car that does not have a reverse camera. What are you gonna do in that situation? So they want you to be able to drive without the use of the camera. So that is why they don't allow you. Sometimes they will even cover the camera with a white sheet of paper or something so that you don't use the camera when you're reversing. And I thank everyone for responding to this question. I received 31 correct answers and I am going to announce the winner now. So these are the chits with the names of the people who answered the question correctly. So are you ready to hear the name of the winner? Let's go. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let's see who this lucky person is. I am gonna read this name. Let's see. The name is Amieli Salutin. The name is Amieli Salutin. I don't know if you can read this. Let's see. This is the name. So congratulations, Amieli Salutin. I hope I'm pronouncing the name correctly. You are the winner of the $50 Amazon gift card. So to get your gift card, please follow the instructions mentioned in the description box below and the card will be sent out to you. Thank you everyone for your overwhelming response to my videos. Thank you for subscribing and I hope you like my videos. So if there is any video that you would like me to make, please leave me a comment below so that I can make a video on that topic. Thank you for watching my videos and I'll see you again with another contest and another educational video.